India will not skirt this problem anymore. We are not going to say, well, that happened and, let's continue our dialogue because that's very important. I think if we have a problem, we must be honest enough to face up to that problem, however difficult it is. If we have to have those discussions, we should. And if it is, hard to find a solution, we must work through to the way. We should not give the other country a free pass saying there's nothing they can do about it, or it's a very hard problem, or there's so much else at stake that let us overlook it. In India, the mood is not to overlook terrorism. Came as a great surprise to us when the Chinese in 2020 chose to do something on the border which was completely violative of agreements we had reached. So instead of actually solidifying the foundation for an equilibrium, they went and disturbed the foundation. So the big issue for us today